sponsor of the day, Fanta. Alright, right there. God damn.
There's a good chance this is gonna fall off the lift, so if it does, I'm gonna push you out of the way and jump. So we're installing these Beltec. We're installing these 2-inch drop shackles from Beltec. These replace, they're over here. These are the stock shackles. So these like extend, it's an extended bracket. It puts the leaf spring 2 inches higher.
Oh my god, I can't see that.
You can't see nothing. That's a stock shackle. So I'm gonna put these extended shackles up there, 2-inch drop, since it's raising the leaf spring.
Yeah, I see it, and then it's adjustable. Since it's got the...
not really.
No?
It just looks adjustable, but it's not.
Got him!
Mine's the farthest.
Mine's gonna be flashing.
Oh my god. Dude, you need the hose. Oh my god. Come on, man.
I swear I'm not retarded. Just like partially.
Everybody knows you never go full retard.
That leaf spring's not gonna fall under
It
tension?
probably will. The whole axle will probably fall off the truck.
Oh, okay.
That's a good point you raised. I should probably get a pole jack. Okay. Safety first. Now go ahead and raise this and the front of the truck falls off.
Oh shit.
It just teeter-totters and nosedives off the lift.
Hell yeah. Jesus.
I thought something crazy was gonna happen.
Oh, what the heck?
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. To get the top bolt out of the shock, I'm gonna raise it up because right there, this bolt will just hit the frame. So I'm gonna, just got a mouthful of dirt. Go up on the axle. Hopefully that bolt goes above the frame and I can pull it out. Yeah, so this shit was like super easy. Okay. Took like 5 seconds. Oh my god, I just farted.
What were you really doing?
What was I really doing?
Yeah.
I was struggling for like 30 minutes trying to get this motherfucker out of here. So this is hitting the bottom of the bed, and when you try to pull the bolts out, it just like hits the frame rail. So basically, yeah, the bolt wants to hit the frame, and the shackle will go high enough because it hits the bed. So I hammered out the bed, or you can unbolt the bed and raise the bed, but I don't feel like doing that right now. So I hammered this little lip up so the bolt could slide out this way, like this. Out this way. Okay. She's through.
Fuck it, I'll stay.
Through?
Yeah.
You got me like that?
I got nothing else to do.
So I won't be fucking lonely. Start crying.
Hell yeah.
Man, you're badass. I don't care what they say about you.
Wait, who?
Mainly me.
Oh.
Messed up, dude. Yeah, I'm really the only one that talks shit about you.
Oh, so the truth finally comes out.
So I don't care what I say about you. You're an okay person.
For now.
One down. Fucking one to go. Hey, can you give me those pliers?
You can see it all on the camera, dude.
Oh, I'm fucking dying under here. Hey, can you raise the truck up?
Wait.
Actually, no, it's okay, it's okay.
Wait, did you put this bolt on the other one?
What bolt?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm hammering the lip up. Okay.
Let me know.
Ow. That fucking hurt.
What'd you do?
I smashed my already smashed fingers. Fuck. That almost fell in my fucking mouth. Hey,
Yeah, I just started recording.
your nuts are showing.
Oh,
You didn't believe me.
excuse me.
Your balls are showing.
Man, why were you looking?
Cause, dude, it's just so big. It can't just. My eyes gravitate towards it. Guys, I'm having to hammer this bolt. It's a tight fit.
That's what she said.
But I'm just kind of chiseling it in there and through the shackle. I think it's through.
Today I'm going to show you how to properly use a torque wrench.
Dude, I just ripped off. What? I fart when I'm stressed out, I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
You should use a torque wrench because you could easily over-tighten nuts and bolts and damage the thread.
Oh, the Yugga Duggas.
Or you could even snap the bolt head right.
God damn, dude.
You be tight enough? Well, I don't want to make it noises. Sometimes they can squeak and shit when they're not tight enough. What we got going on here? With my luck, they're probably backwards or something. Alright, it's time for the big reveal. The after shot.
Cool, like advertisement. Right there.
I can like taste the dirt.
Did it even drop?
That's fucked up. After all that work, and you're like, did it even drop? Fuck you.
Serious.
Well, what was it? It was 36 and a half, right?
Make sure they don't fucking die.
Where's the med? 35 even. So that was an inch and a half, not 2 inches.
Wow.
Inch and a half drop. Was it worth it? Fuck no. That shit sucked. Hey, would you mind blowing me real quick?
What?
Nah, dog. Oh, God. That's my mouth. Thanks.